Hey guys, it's Tractor Ben here. On this little video is just a simple putting a Woods RC5 rotary cutter into service with this customer who already had purchased his Yanmar 324. Would just like any feedback anybody's got, questions you have about the Yanmar line or the Woods line. It's just a brief overview, kind of displaying and showcasing the adequate power the SA series brings to the field. Handles that 5-foot cutter like a champ. So if you would, just let me know what you guys think and smash that like and subscribe button and keep these little videos coming. They're not fancy, but people seem to like them. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think.